Hello dear friends. In this session we are going to understand short circuiting logical and an OR operator in C sharp. So let's start. First we are going to understand why the logical operator and an OR is called short circuiting operator, how it shorten the circuit and why it is short circuiting operators. What is called circuit, how we specify condition in our program and how we short the conditions with the logical and operators we are going to see in this session. So short circuiting logical AND operator. First we discuss about logical AND operator. The logical AND operator is also known as short circuiting logical AND. Why it is called short circuiting AND? Because it shorten the condition circuit. Whatever the condition we specified, it shorten the condition in a program. As you know, in a series of condition concatenated using AND operator, the logical operator AND only evaluates or tests for the next condition if the previous condition is true. Otherwise, it skips the evaluation or testing for all subsequent condition whether it is true or false. It means if the first condition is true, then and then only there is a need of testing for other conditions. And if the first condition is false, then there is no use of testing all other conditions. All circuit result may be false if the first condition is false. Example, let's illustrate with the example. Suppose the criteria for giving admission to the professional course is a professional course recommends that the subject mark in 10th exam should be as below. If the math mark is greater than 80 and the math English mark is greater than 60 and the science mark is greater than 90 and the social studies mark is greater than 70, then and then only the student will be eligible for admission to that particular professional course. To illustrate this condition in program, how can we write a condition? How can we write a statement in C sharp for this criteria? We can write like this. If math is greater than equal to 80 and English is greater than equal to 60 and science is greater than equal to 90 and social studies is greater than equal to 70. So what will happen in this condition if the math mark is greater than 80, then it check for English mark it greater than 60 or not. Then it checks for science mark greater than 90. But if the math mark is not greater than 80, it means the first condition that we have specified here is false. If the first condition is false, then there is no use of testing for other condition in the program, other condition in the if statement. If this condition is false, false and true, if all other conditions are true and the first condition is false, the result becomes false. Then the student is not eligible for the admission. And if the first condition is true and if the second condition is true and all conditions are true, then and then only students is eligible for the admission. If one of the condition is false, the student is not eligible for the condition. It means that if the first condition is false or the second condition is false, then there is no use of testing for other condition in the if statements. So this task is performed by this logical AND operator. That's why it is called short circuiting AND operator. What it does actually, it it tests for the first condition, that is math is greater than 80. If the condition is true, even if and only if the condition first is true, then it moves to the second condition. Otherwise it will not move to the second condition. Now it need not to evaluate for all condition. In this program there are only 4 conditions. If there are hundreds of conditions in the program, right, the time required for testing the condition will automatically elapsed, or the time is not, that time is elapsed in the program. Okay. So description of the program as I given in the previous slide. If the math mark is greater than 80, means this, if the condition is true, then there is a need of testing for next condition. If this condition is false, then there is no need to test for other condition, even all other conditions are true. Here we can save the time required to evaluate or test for all other conditions. And time is money. Saving time is important in programming. So logical operator and saves the time this time for short by shorten the condition structure. Therefore, the operator and is called short circuit operator. And this is very important when we need to test for hundreds of condition in program or thousands of condition in program. Again, that we need to save the time for testing for unnecessary condition. Again, if the one of the condition is false, then there is no need of testing for other conditions because the result will be false if one of the condition is false in case of AND. Logical and logical single AND. Logical AND operator can also be used in place of double AND, but it does not shorten the conditional structure. It means if you write a condition like this using a single AND operator, it tests for all condition whether the first condition is true or false. If it is a true or false, it tests for second condition. Again, it true or false, it tests for second condition. Means here we cannot save the time. This single or AND operator cannot be used to save the time or cannot be used to shorten the structure. Means it evaluate all the condition whether it true or false, and then only it if the result of all conditions are true, then it displays the output eligible for admission. Otherwise, it displays the output not eligible for admission. But in case of double AND, it shorten the circuit. Means this condition will need not to be evaluated. Means the condition circuit will be shortened here. Means the time required here is small. Within time, this condition is evaluated in the program. In case of using a single AND, the time is not saved, but in case of using double AND, time is saved definitely. So what is the difference between AND and double AND? A single AND operator can be used as either unary or binary operator. Means we can perform a binary operation using a single AND operator. Means we can perform the binary AND between the two number A and B. But to perform the binary AND between A and B, double AND operator cannot be used. It is only used for logical operations. So how the single AND operators can be used for different purpose. Here we can use the single AND operator for performing the bitwise operation. We can perform the bitwise operation. If the value of A is 60, it means the binary 00111100 number may be there. If B is equal to 30, uh, the binary value is like this. And if you perform the statement like this, C equal to A and B, it means performing the bitwise operation between A and B, and the result will be like this. So this AND of single AND can also be used for logical operation as we have discussed earlier, and this can also be used for unary operators. In case of unsafe pointer you are using in program, C# doesn't allow to use pointer directly, but you can use the pointer in unsafe block. You have to define the unsafe block in program, and then you can use the pointer in C#. When you are using the pointers in unsafe block, you can use the AND operator as ampersand operator for getting the address of particular variable into pointer. We can use the single AND operator also. Then the next short circuiting operator is logical OR. The conditional logical OR operator is also known as short circuiting logical OR operator. Why it is so? Because it is short on the condition as we discussed before. In a series of condition concatenated using a double OR, the logical operator only evaluate or test for the next condition if the previous condition is false. If the first condition is false, then only there is a need of evaluating the second condition. Otherwise, if the first condition is true, there is no need of evaluating all other conditions. The result of the circuit will definitely be true if the first condition is true. And if the first condition is false, then we need to test for the second condition. Or the second condition is false, then we need to test for the third condition. Like that, you have to evaluate with the help of OR operator. It means if the previous condition is false, otherwise it skip the evaluation or testing for all subsequent condition whether it is true or false. Let's illustrate with the example. Suppose the criteria for giving admission to the professional course is as below. in the professional, for giving the admission to that professional course, one of the subjects marks should be greater than mentioned here. Either math marks should be greater than 80, or English mark should be greater than 60, or science mark greater than equal to 90, or social studies mark greater than 70. This is the criteria for giving the admission to professional course. One of the conditions should meet by that particular student to give the admission to that particular course. Let's illustrate with this example. To illustrate this criteria in program, we write such condition in C# program. If math mark is greater than 80 or English mark is greater than 60, like this. If math mark is greater than 80, it means there is no need to evaluate all other conditions. There is no need to test for other conditions. Okay? If you test, then it is no use. If the first condition is true, the result of this all circuit, result of this if will be definitely true, because we have concatenated this series of condition using OR operator. If the first condition is true, all other condition may be false. The result of the expression is true, then it execute the true block. Then this double double OR operator definitely shorten the circuit. We can shorten the circuit with the double OR operator. It will not evaluate the condition if the first condition is true. Okay, this we have explained earlier. Then logical single OR operator. Logical and single OR operator can also be used in place of double OR, but it does not shorten the condition circuit. It means if math mark is greater than equal to 80, if this condition is true, it again tests for the English mark is greater than or equal to 60. If this condition is also true, it again tests for the third condition, means it tests for all the conditions. It is unwanted, it is unnecessary. We cannot shorten the race here. We cannot shorten this circuit. The compiler or the machine will evaluate for all the conditions whether it is true or false. But there is no use of this. If one of the condition is true, the result of this expression will definitely be true, but it elapses the time for testing for all the conditions. So this time we can save using double OR operator here. The logical OR operator tests for all condition even if the previous condition is true. In the above case, it tests for English mark is greater than 60 even if math mark is greater than 80 is true. Logical OR operator can also be used as a bitwise operator, like a bitwise AND operator. So conclusion of this session is what? The short circuited logical operators in C# are double AND and double OR. They are efficient and fast versions of logical operators in C#. So it is good practice to use them, and there is no reason of not to use them in programs. So hope you understand. Thank you.